everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how you can easily activate your Bank of America Mastercard online. In order to activate your Bank of America Mastercard, first, you can either look for the activation instructions that came with your card, which reveals the activation details, or you can also activate your card online by visiting Bank of America's website. Open up a preferred web browser on a computer or your mobile device. Into the URL box, type in bankofamerica.com and press enter. Doing so will take you to the official web page of Bank of America. Now, first log into your online banking account. In the left-hand side of the screen, you'll be able to see the sign-in area. If you don't have an online account yet with Bank of America, simply go ahead and click on Open an Account and follow through the registration process. If you already do have an account, type in your user ID in the first text box associated with it. And on the next field, go ahead and enter your correct password for your online banking account. If you don't remember your user ID or your password, get help by clicking this Forgot User ID/password link and follow through the password reset process, or simply follow the instructions to look for your user ID. After filling in all of the details correct, click the Login button, and then after logging in, locate the card activation section and follow the instructions provided. You'll need to enter your card number and the PIN code available on your Mastercard to complete the activation process. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you never miss another future upcoming updates from us. Thanks for watching.